What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking to get yourself a gorgeous upholstered bed with underneath storage drawers, look no farther than this fantastic bed from GARVEE. This was gifted to me by the brand, so come along with me while I put it together, because I think this is going to help you make your decision when you see how easy it is to put together and enjoy a great night's sleep. Let's get this one going. It's really actually quite incredible that you can fit a queen size bed in a box that looks like this. This is a gorgeous boucle fabric that's soft and fuzzy. A unique thing about these beds is that the storage drawers actually have wheels. This is part of the headboard. Here you've got all of the screws and bolts that are needed along with the instructions. These are the anchors for securing the slats, which is the base of your bed. Some more hardware. These are the wooden slats that make up the platform of the bed. More slats. Another part of the headboard. This part here, this is that beautiful big arched boucle, soft upholstered headboard. There's memory foam over top of it, so even if you're leaning up against it, kind of cushions you, which makes for a very cozy bed environment. So I've got all the pieces out of the box, and now it's time to start assembly. So the first thing we do is we're going to build the headboard. Everything that you need is right here in this little case. I love that it's clearly marked. You have your larger bolts, your smaller bolts, your very small bolts, the 2 Allen keys that you're going to use to put this together, and any other washers and locking nuts that you need. Now that we have the headboard done, it's time to put on the feet. That comes in this little hardware box. Open it up, and there's a bunch of stuff in here, and I have a helper. You have to do with these is just screw them in. The next thing we have to do is put the bed rail together. So those are the 11s. 2 11s meet together in the middle of one of these 9s. And a special note, when you're putting it together, there is a side that has holes and a side that does not have holes. You want to put it together so that the hold side faces up. So we've done this one, we're going to do that a second time.
Hi, Rupert. I'm going to give you this puzzle. Oh, good boy.
Now the next part of this is where we assemble the 2 sets of 11s to the footboard and the headboard, and then it's going to start looking like a bed. Nice and straightforward, easy to do, using the M8s again. Now the bed itself here is done. We have to put a connecting brace right there. 5 gets connected to 2 screw holes right here. We're going to connect 8 to 5. Just a little quick note, this is the shorter screw, and you're going to use this to connect the rails here, and then at the footboard. So you're going to use 2 of these here, 2 of these in the corner, 2 of these at the footboard on that corner, and 2 of those in the footboard on that corner. We've gotten to the part where we are going to connect all of the cross braces. There's 3 of them. With this bed, it's a queen bed, you get 2 drawers for storage. Now the slats are super easy. It is a plastic resin cap that has 2 little holes on it. All you have to do is go through and feed the little cap. You have to push the cap of the wood slats on both sides. Do this for all of them, and then put them in and pop them in place. Now the cage for the drawer ships just like this, pre-assembled, and all you have to do is fold it open this way, and then they provide little screws for you, and then you screw it together. And here is the drawer fully assembled. These little holes right here fit into the pre-set holes that are here along the frame. Really nice and easy. The wheels go on right here, and it helps to hold everything closed. The trick is to put it on at the top like this and like this, and then to just lift it slightly, slide it back, and then snap it in place. So you get it like this and like that, and then you are locked nice and tight and sturdy. Now the next thing we have to do is attach the roller wheels. So these rails right here go over top of the rails like that, and then you just push it forward so that it snaps like that. Now we're going to put the fully finished drawers in place like this. See how nice they slide in? You can see right down here is the little hook that's going to go right in this hole. So we're just going to move it up, secure it in place, and in it goes. Mattress distributes the weight. It's got a beautiful boucle padded headboard and padded frame and I put it together in just under 2 hours. Now this great queen full bed is available in quite a few different colors. You can get it in this beautiful cream color, you can get it in a light gray and a dark gray, and it comes in additional sizes. Want it in a twin? They have it in a twin. Need it in a king? You can get it in a king size too. You can see that you've got really nice full coverage. It does a great job of fitting your queen size bed, just like that. Pretty awesome, very comfortable. It's a nice fit. Now you can get an idea of just how sturdy and comfortable it is once you get the mattress on. I'm very impressed with the quality of this bed. I love it even more once I have a good, comfortable mattress on it. It's sturdy, solid, and definitely satisfying for the price. A great value, stylish, smart, and it has storage. That's what makes this gorgeous bed a family favorite at my house.